Hi, we are beginning a new chapter called ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is one of the modes of analysis of financial statements of the business. In this introductory video, we will list the ratios that will be covered in this chapter. The first head is liquidity ratios. All the ratios in this head are expressed in ratios. We will learn two ratios. One is a current ratio and two is the liquid ratio, which is also referred to as asset test ratio or even called quick ratio. Under the next head, we will talk about solvency ratios. Again, these ratios are expressed in ratio. We will learn debt to equity ratio, total assets to debt ratio, proprietary ratio, and 4, interest coverage ratio. Now this interest coverage ratio, unlike the first three ratios, which will be expressed in ratios, the interest coverage ratios will be expressed in times. The third head is activity ratios, and all the ratios here will be expressed in times. We will learn 1, inventory or stock turnover ratio, 2, trade receivables turnover ratio, 3, trade payables turnover ratio, and 4, working capital turnover ratio. The last head is called profitability ratios, and all the ratios in this head are expressed in percentage. We will start with 1, gross profit ratio, 2, operating ratio, 3, operating profit ratio, 4, net profit ratio, and 5 is return on investment or return on capital employed ratio. So we've seen in this video the list of ratios that will be covered in this chapter. We will begin one by one, starting with liquidity ratios and current ratio under that.